Welcome to JK Gears and Machinery. JK Gears is ISO 9001-2008 registered certified company. Based in Mumbai, India, since 1994. If you are looking for any used imported machine, get in touch with us.
In this video you will see heavy-duty horizontal lathe, which is available for sale. The machine details are: make, Sculfort, model, 600mm by 6000mm, type of machine, heavy-duty horizontal lathe. The machine can do job Max Sixe 900mm. Over the saddle machine can do job 600mm. Between center length: 6 mbr, center height over the saddle 300mm. The machine can do job Max Sixe 900mm.
Thank you for watching our video. You can visit our website www.jkgears.com.